creating a review system that works on autopilot. Like a lot of things that we do at Sandia Green Clean, we did this with a very crucial piece of software, which in the beginning I thought was so expensive. It's about $500 a month. The one we use is called Podium. There are others. There's one called Great Job. There's a few. So the idea is you came to a customer's house, you did something, the system automatically, without you having to do it in the background, sent them a text or an email that says, hey, you just had a service from this company. Would you mind telling us what you think? And so then they click a link, and once they click that link, that's where the software magic comes in. You can tell it, I only want reviews to go to Google, I only want them to go to Facebook, I want them to go to all three or pick or whatever. And the idea is you stack on a bunch of reviews. When we first signed up with this system, I think we had 120 something reviews, and we now have 350-ish. And that was in about 18 months. I want to say it was 18 months, and that made us the most reviewed cleaning company in the entire state. And so that hasn't stopped. It continues going in the background. We get 2 or 3 a week, and they just keep stacking.
And it's a system. Like, it comes in on autopilot versus how we did it before. It was still a system, but it was a manual system where we would leave out these cards every quarter, and the teams would leave them and say, it would say just, hey, like, let us know how we're doing. Leave us a review at our website /review. It worked, and we would bonus the employees if they got the review. But this works way better. It's highly efficient. It happens in the background without thinking about it. So that's where you want to get to.
All right.